sorry. I'd like to go over the choreography for Journey Home. We will be using a basket for this choreography. Journey Home consists of 8 steps. The steps are walk strong, and we will do that for 24 counts. Zulu Shuffle, which will be for 32 counts. Step number 3, basket knee dip. And this is a single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. We will do that for 4 sets. From there, we will do picking fruit. And I want you to think about picking fruit from a tree, perhaps mangoes, 4 steps to one direction, and then you're going to pick low fruits, 4 steps in the other direction. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Picking fruit. Step number 5 is the hip paddle, and we've done this before. 4 in one direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice that this is a double time step. Hip paddle, step number 5. Step number 6 is going to be a jazz square. Right over left, and pivot, Then, right over left, toss high, toss low. From there, we are going to then do the Bahia Lady. You're going to place one hand behind the back of your head, and it is a 4 steps forward, and 4 sways back, and 4 steps forward again. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 7, Bahia Lady. And that is a Brazilian move. Our last step is going to be the circle step, which we've done before. And it is 2 up, 2 down, and circle around. I'll repeat that again. 2 up, 2 down, and circle around. And those are the